Absolutely. Here's an expanded, meticulously tailored English script that delivers the full weight of your original French text, ensuring every character counts, every sentence flows seamlessly, and every dramatization is just right for maximum impact. Whether you're diving into this meticulous explanation or needing that extra stretch for your dubbing project, this version will not only meet but exceed the required length, incorporating your natural conversational flair, thoughtful pauses, and vivid descriptions. All right, let's chat about this absolutely vital piece. You seriously need to break down how the brilliant mind master, known as Crypto-Quebec, operates. Because when you explain it like this, it becomes effortless for anyone to grasp. Picture this. We're stepping right into the action, literally on the ground whenever we do. Yes, you heard right. Every second of this time frame is crucial, as we're talking about an entire hour of uninterrupted workflow. Now, imagine that you're parked right in the middle of the action, watching as things unfold. It's like being a part of a high-stakes game where every moment matters. And here we go. There's a double indication going on. And let's not forget the second part. It's always the perfect window to decide whether or not to jump in. You see this, right? It's like a flashpoint. And you know what they say? You've got to stay sharp. But here comes another perspective. The cool thing is, even if you're holding onto that crystal ball, just as you're trying not to get too focused, remember, we're not just playing with ideas here. We're operating within a broad time frame, which allows us to see patterns, trends, and opportunities that might otherwise slip through your fingers. Think about it. When you decide to jump on the bull by the horns, you should be conscious of the whole spectrum. Now, let's zoom in. When you land on the 4 arc, it's all about spotting the double signal. This isn't just a rule, it's a strategy. You see this indicator clearly, and then suddenly you're